On the menu today is condensed milk candy, better known as Fanta in Ghana. For this recipe, all we need is condensed milk. Yeah, you can see some whitish thing around my condensed milk. That is just milk that I poured in to ensure that I will not have any difficulty whilst pouring the condensed milk into my container. Before we get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is your passionate food lover, and you're most welcome to my channel. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you. In the saucepan, I'm going to add a little amount of vegetable cooking oil. This is going to ensure that my condensed milk does not stick to my pan. So I'm going to pour the condensed milk in, put it on low heat, and then start stirring. That's all we are going to do. We are going to stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. If you have made it this far in watching my video, please do all to like this video because it helps me a lot, and please do all to subscribe. I have a lot of content coming up. I keep saying this in every single video I make, but I really have a lot of content coming up, so please subscribe. At this point, you can see some bubbles starting to form in my condensed milk. Things are starting to come together. So yeah, I changed it from one burner to the other because I think I was using a higher burner, so I changed it to a medium burner. Please comment below where you're watching from. I would love to know where all of you watch my video from. Thank you. So like I said, we are just going to keep on stirring and stirring and stirring until everything comes together. So this recipe is a simple recipe. All you're going to do is stir on a medium heat and keep stirring. That's all. At this point, I can really see that my candy is starting to come together. Please do all to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you. At this point, my candy is really sticky. Now that is your cue that your candy is done, and it's time for you to shape them according to any shape or style that you want. Please be careful. The toffee comes out really hot, so whilst molding, you make sure that you do not hurt yourself. Apply a little cooking oil so that it does not stick to your hand. Mold it to any kind of shape you want, style that you want. Actually, it comes out already as a toffee, so please do all to not hurt yourself. As you can see, it's really hot here whilst I was molding it, but I tried my best not to hurt myself. Mold it to any shape, any style that you want, and then voila, the toffees will be ready. Once you start molding your candy, it's important to cover the rest because you do not want it to harden. It will become really difficult for you to mold them when it's hard. My fan toffees are ready to be enjoyed. This really takes me back to when I was a kid. I really loved this candy. Well, here you are. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Please do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I had this empty Nutella jar lying around, so I decided to keep my candies in. What better way to use an empty jar than store candy in them? Really, thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I really appreciate all of you subscribing to my channel. God bless you so much. Please do well to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.